Here are 400 pieces of LiFePure4 lithium battery cells. Each cell is 52 Ah. The capacity should be controlled within 200 mAh, and voltage and internal resistance should be kept consistent. We have to choose 24 pieces and make a row of 24 strings, 72 volts, 52 Ah lithium batteries. First, screen the cell capacity. Measure each cell's voltage and internal resistance using the voltage and internal resistance tester. Each cell in the 24 strings measures at 3.211 volts. The batteries have no problems with their voltage, internal resistance, or capacity. And prepare a pieces of 100 balanced BMS. Then DIY a group of lithium batteries. Lithium cell polarity arrangement use an 8+8+8 arrangement. Measure the dimensions needed for battery box. Place exposure boards between each lithium battery. Fix modules with fixtures. Screw modules with fiberglass tab. Insulate between modules with exposure boards. Your thick exposure boards. Lithium battery pack starting is complete. Plan the BMS board placement. Next, proceed with laser welding. Laser welding of lithium battery is done. Now begin connecting the BMS board. Choose the 100 balanced BMS software version for 8 to 24 strings with active balancing at 1 ampere. Screw the BMS board in place. Plan the position of wire hardness. Cut the winding harness to fit. Strip the wires. Weld the BMS board wiring. Iron barley paper for insulation. Weld the B port. Use the wiring tester to check the wiring sequence. There's no problem with this 17-string order, and check the welding sequence again. Welding sequence completely correct. Insert the BMS board wiring. The BMS board now shows a red light. Connect the temperature control line to 10 green. Connect the BMS board temperature control line. The BMS board's red light turns green. Now everything is okay. Connect the Bluetooth to set parameters. Open the 100 balanced BMS mobile app and select local monitoring. Find the code on the Bluetooth module. And now click to connect. The battery type is LiFePure4. Here are the voltages for each string. Voltage differences is 3 milliohms. Temperature readings are also available. Let's adjust parameters. The only change needed is in this cell characteristics. Change capacity to 52 Ah. Battery capacity is 52 Ah. Change capacity to 52. The password is 126. The modification successful. We can see the BMS balancing status on the home page. And now balancing switch is off. Due to excellent consistency, it's unnecessary to turn it on. The P end of the BMS and the total positive of the battery are connected to the output wire respectively. Use insulation in silicon to ensure insulation. Use 24 ampere current for aging. Use box and balls for packaging. Boxed up. Use EVA foam for cushioning. Apply waterproof silicone for waterproofing. And now for the new battery pack.